Hi, this is lesson 6 from the money unit, and this is Miss Robertson. Today's learning intention, we will learn to calculate profit and loss. First, we need to understand, what does profit mean and what does loss mean? Profit is where we sell for more than what we bought something. Loss is when we sell for less than what we bought something for. Okay, so we have an example here. If you buy a mobile phone for £240 and sell it for £140, so you're selling it for less than what you bought it for. Okay, you're selling it for less than what you bought it for. So you made a loss of £100. If you buy a watch for £70 and sell it for £90, so if you compare these, you bought it for 70, you sold it for 90, so you've got more money now, so you made a profit. How do we find out how much of a profit or a loss we make? Well, if you do the biggest number, take away the smallest number, you will find the amount. Okay, so that one's a loss of £100 because you sold it for less than what you bought it. Okay, this one here, again, if we do the biggest number, take away the smallest one, we get £20, and remember that that's a £20 profit because 90, you sold it for 90, you sold it for more than what you bought it. Okay, and this one up here, £100 loss. Okay, so next example, we've got Berkham's t-shirt. I bought a signed football top for £250 and a year later I sold it for £160. So he bought it for £250, but he's only sold it for £160, so he's made a loss. Okay, so remember we do 250, the big number, take away the small one. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take off 100 and then I'm going to take off 60. So 250 take away 100, 250 take away 100, that's 150, and I still have to take off 60. 15 take away 6 makes 9, so 150 take away 160 gives us 90, so it's a £90 loss. Ouch. Okay, Barry the builder built a bungalow for £142,550 and he sold it for more money, so he's made a profit. Okay, that's what we hope for with houses. We hope we're going to make profit with houses. How much of a profit did Barry make? So we are doing the largest amount, take away the smallest amount. Okay, now I like to set mine out like this. Okay, so I think this one's going to work out nicely. 0 take away 0, 5 take away 5, 8 take away 5, 4 take away 2, 6 take away 4, and 1 take away 1 is nothing. So he has made a profit of £22,300. Okay, so this one's a little bit more complicated. Claire bought a pair of shoes for £120 and a designer bag for £195. How much has she spent altogether? Okay, so if I add on the 100 and then the 20, so 195 add £100 is 295 plus the 20, 315. Right, so she spent £315 on her shoes and her bag. Right, 1 year later, she sold the shoes for 75 and the bag for 256, right? Okay, so how much has she sold the items for? Okay, so I'm going to do 256, add the 70 and then add the 5. Remember, there's different ways to add. You choose which way you want to add these together. So if I do that plus the 70, I'll get 326, add the 5, 331. Okay, so she bought the items for 315 and she sold them for more money. So she has made a profit because she has sold them for more money than she bought them for. So did she make a profit, and by how much? Okay, 331, take away 315. Okay, so I'm going to take off the 300 and then take off the 15. So take off the 300, so it'll be 31 left, and then take off the 15. Okay, maybe take off the 10 first. 31 take away 10 is 21, and then take off the 5, and we've got 16. So she's made a £16 profit. Okay, now this is exercise 6. No, this is lesson 6. So today's work will be exercise 6 from your work booklet. Okay.